morning, everybody. It's Kathy from Kate with Kate 56. How's everybody doing today? I'm doing really well. I finally just finished getting my House of Cards video from yesterday uploaded. Yeah, it was quite the challenge. So that'll be coming up. And then I wanted to show you these two projects I did as a guest design team member for Carrie at Which Craft Do You Do? And the first one is her mini book using one sheet of paper. And this has a lot of different things in it, a lot of stamping and such from Tim Holtz. And for the cover, or the paper I used, was the surprisingly simple mixed media background sheets that were a freebie, and there's a video that goes with that, so I'll link that below. So inside, this is one of the decorative charms from one of the kits that I got, and I just got some little bits in here. I thought these were the cutest little books. I think it'd make a really nice, really cute for Christmas. Maybe put gift tag in there or money, wherever, whatever. And then here's the tag I made, and the paper here and these papers inside as well are from Carrie's grunge papers. It's a huge set. It's amazing. Every color. That's just cool. Anyway, here's the tag that I did. There's another one of the little charms there. Over here, we've got a couple of tags. Got this one. Has one of the charms. And then I have this one. And these little paperclip dies, I think I got from Amazon. They're off-brand little dies. And some more of the paper over here. And then here, more of the grunge paper here. And I've got a tag up here using the grunge paper. So these are chipboard, the backs. They're mounted on chipboard. Make them nice and sturdy. And then again, here's the back. For my signature, I just tied a couple of little shells on there. Thought they went kind of nice. So there's that one. And then this is a little journal I made using a file folder and a hanging file folder, I should say. So this is one of the pictures from the photos and vintage photos and frames that I got. I used things here from Carrie, the decorative charms, the grunge papers, assorted tickets and labels, vintage photos and frames, and numbers and letters. So there's a little washi tape in here. Other than that, everything is all from Carrie. And this was one of the assorted labels, tickets and labels here. And this is the blue grunge paper that I chose to use for the outside. And I had this pretty blue velvet ribbon I thought would look nice on the spine. So open it up, and you can see it's made from the hanging file folder. I've used some of the Tim Holtz fabric tape for extra strength there in the signature. This is just now this vellum was not from Carrie, but just a little flip up thing there. And the paper I used was some of my walnut dyed paper that I did recently. I love the way it turned out. Over here, got a little vellum pocket with some more of those charms, numbers, labels. This is the washi tape. This is from the photos and frames. This is from the labels. And then this tag, I use this grunge background for these tags. And this little boy was a photo that I cut out and added to the tag. And then I have some more velvet ribbon up at the top of the tags. Another label. This is washi tape. Here's a photo and one of the assorted labels. Here's this little baby I cut out and put on this tag. Here, the numbers, that grunge paper, and a label. Another label there. Here's another photo. These are the numbers, and that's from the labels. And here's this tag. She was one of the photos as well. I cut her out. The numbers in the background there, and this is the grunge paper. I put a little bit of bling around the hole up at the top, and these are just some flat back pearls I glued on there. Washi tape. Here's the center of my signature. I chose to use this pale blue and white baker's twine, and I got a couple of blue buttons that I added for dangles. Here's another photo. There's another one I cut out. There's one of the charms, the big numbers. I just love all these numbers, and the letters I didn't use yet, but they're really awesome. I have something planned for those. More labels and numbers. That's washi tape. Number and a label. That's washi tape. Another one of the charms. I think these are so cool. Another one of the photos. And same thing here. I cut this little person out and put him on this tag. And we got the numbers and labels on there and the grunge background. Another one of the charms. I love the shape of those. They're so cool. And then this is a, Carrie did this, it was within the last week, I believe. It's called, the tutorial's called Fancy Photo Frames. It's on her YouTube. So I did that, and I used the, you know, all the distress and the oxides and sprays and all that. And this little girl was in the photos and frames. I put a little blue ribbon there. Got a little tab, and then this opens up here. Got some more charms, more numbers, more labels, and that has a magnet to close it. And then on the back, I put another one of these vellum flips and more labels from the photo. This is from one of the charms. I cut him out of a charm, and then more numbers. And there is our little booklet. So yeah, I'll put all the links to everything below, and you can go check them out. Like I say, these grunge papers are amazing. There's every color you could think of. And yeah, and I love these mixed media backgrounds that she did as well. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.